What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 9 of this video. Now on this part we'll be simplifying the expression that you see below there. So what do we have there? We have tan x over sine 2x minus tan x. So we'll be expressing this, we'll be actually simplifying this expression. Remember, guys, this is a playlist, so at the end of this playlist, at the end of this video, there will be a playlist whereby this video is contained. So there is from part 1 to part 9, which is this video. If you want to understand, you better watch them in a sequence. Alright, let's start, guys. So from our previous video, I did mention that when you see ratios like tan, sec and cosec, try to change them to sine and cos. So I'm gonna first rewrite this. First of all, I start by rewriting. Let me just rewrite this. Tan x, which is divided by the following here, which is gonna be sine 2x minus tan x. Basically what I'm doing here is, instead of having the line here, I rather have the division sign, which is one and the same thing. For me, I find it easier to solve this type of a problem. Now the following step, which is it's what I usually tell people, or is what I usually mention, is change the tan to sine x over cos x. Then from there you come to the following. Now this here, sine 2x is the double angle, so we have to change this double angle. Now the double angle that we're going to change it into is going to be 2 sine x multiplied by cos x. Guys, if you don't know where is this coming from, there is a video on the icon whereby I explain how this double identity come about. In fact, I derive it, so you can watch those videos there. Alright, we say minus here. Remember, this is tan. We change it into quotient identity, which is going to be sine x over cos x. And then that's that. Now as we continue, this one, it doesn't change, it will remain like that. And then here we divide as usual. Then here we're gonna look for the denominator, which in this case now our denominator is gonna be cos x. Remember, this is divided by 1. So if you say cos x divided by 1, it's gonna give us cos x multiplied by 2 sine x cos x. So we're going to have 2 sine x, and then because we have cos here, so this cos is gonna be squared because of the multiplication there. So this cos here is squared, and then this is gonna be minus cos x. Right, minus cos x, because if you say cos into cos is 1 multiplied by, sorry guys, I made a mistake. Oh, I don't know what happened. Okay, let's just do it. It's not cos x, it's not cos x. You say cos into cos is gonna give us 1 multiplied by negative sine is gonna give us negative sine. Yes, this is the right one. I hope you managed to see that. Yes, one. I hope you managed to see that. Alright, let's continue. Right, this one we continue writing it like this. There's nothing we can do at the moment on this one. So here we still have to simplify the bracket there. If you look at the numerator, we do have a common factor. What is our common factor here? Our common factor is sine x. So if we check out sine x, we're gonna be left with 2 cos squared x minus 1 divide by, close bracket, then we divide by cos x, and this is what we are having now. Alright, so let's create a space there. Okay, so that's what you're having, and then we continue. This side we don't do anything, we just write it as it is. So here we know that we are having sine x. We can divide it by cos x here in the numerator, which is multiply. If we look at 2 cos squared x minus 1, this also is an identity. So the icon at the top of your video, it shows you that the double identity, how we derive it. So if we have to change this one, guys, it's gonna be cos 2x. If you remember the double identities, if so happen that you haven't watched it, go and watch it, guys. Very, very interesting. So let's just divide by 1 here. So it's the same as the one on top there. Alright, now that we have this, now we can continue, and we say sine x over cos x. Now we multiply, we change the division to multiplication. All the denominators become the numerators. So we have cos x, and then divide by sine x, and then we multiply by 1 over cos 2x. Now look, sine and sine, they're gonna give you 1. Cos divided by cos, they're gonna give you 1. So basically here we are left with 1 over cos 2x. So using the reciprocals, if you don't know what reciprocals are or inverses, you can check the icon on top of the video there. There's another video whereby I explain the inverses. So the inverse of cos is gonna be sec. It's gonna be sec 2x. So this, guys, is our answer. This is our answer, guys. I hope you understand how we got to this answer right here. If it so happen that you didn't understand, do not forget to comment, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends. If there is an easier way of doing this, you can also comment that way. If this video also helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, at the end of this video, there is a playlist. Click on that playlist if you want to see the previous video whereby we're solving for x and simplifying. Thank you very much, guys. Until next time, cheers.